To add a discussion board to MyLabsPlus, we first want to navigate to the Manage Course tab, which should be at the top of the menu over on the left-hand side for any course, where we have the field that says Add New Menu Item Name. We can simply give this discussion a title, and under Select Menu Type, indicate Threaded Discussion, and click Add. That will automatically add this to the bottom of our list of items, or you can click and drag to move that to a new location if you want to rearrange items. If we click Main Menu, that'll take us back to the original view that we would see when we access our course, and scrolling down to the bottom of our list on the left will let us see that discussion page. Initially there's nothing here until we go into Manage View and click Manage. We have the option to add introductory text, so we could edit this. If you want to include any directions or information as sort of a header for the page, then if we click Add Topic, we can actually add the topic that we want students to discuss. You have options to hide this topic from students if you're not ready for students to see that material yet. You can also check this Post First option, which will require students to submit a reply before they can see any other students' posts. Once we click Add Topic, then that topic will be available for students to actually respond to. So they would see any introductory text, they would see the actual discussion topic, and then they'd have the option to respond. As they start to respond, you'll see this list start to populate. Something to keep in mind though is that with MyLabsPlus there's no way to get any sort of notification when new posts are submitted, which is frustrating. What it means though is that you just need to check back regularly depending on how interactive you want that conversation to be. If you want multiple discussion topics, there are two ways to go about doing that. The first would be to go into that Manage View screen and add a second topic. So now we see under Topics two different items listed. If we go back to looking at that discussion page, whatever the first topic is, students will be directed to that topic by default, and then they would have to know to click on any second or third topic. My preference for adding multiple discussions is actually to not do this, but instead create separate discussion pages for every different topic. And this gets more into sort of the organization of my course, but this is my statistics course. If I go into Module 2, it has all of the information pertaining to Module 2, including the Module 2 discussion. So this discussion only has a single topic for students to discuss. When we want our Module 3 discussion, a separate discussion page will be located in that group of Module 3 pages. So what I do is go back to that Manage Course page, and I simply add another discussion page to keep sort of, in my opinion, navigation issues a little bit simpler. But you have multiple methods for including multiple discussions. Again, key thing to keep in mind is there's no notification to you or students when new discussion posts are completed. If that's a feature that you want, you would need to look into using Canvas as the tool for this.